फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर लुकिंग टू स्विच योर जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन और लुकिंग फॉर एनी रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, दैट दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। और अगर आपके पास नॉलेज है ऑफ पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबलू या फिर सम बिजनेस एनालिस्ट मैथोलॉजीज, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। तो इन केस इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू मिस आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी रिलेटेड टू डोमेन्स लाइक पावर बीआई डेवलपर, सीक्वल डेवलपर, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स और डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन, देन सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड जॉब्स ऑन डेली बेसिस which are published under 24 hours along with the job application links, ताकि आप सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिस ना करें। तो अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं दे दूंगा अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, टू चेक दैट। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन because your one like keeps me motivated to prepare new videos, write new blogs and help my channel grow. So do press the like button. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई डेवलपर और सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। First company in the list is Codvo.ai, hiring for business analyst, experience 2 to 3 years. Job locations in remote, salary would be competitive. Education, bachelor's degree in engineering or business administration. About the role, gather and document client requirements specifically for data visualization and BI projects. Develop and maintain project documentation such as project charters, statements of work, functional specification, and other technical design documents. Write user stories and acceptance create criteria for BI development tasks, maintaining and prioritizing backlogs in Azure DevOps, defining epics, features, and user stories related to dashboards. And if I talk about the required skills, experience as business analyst in requirement gathering and documentation for BI projects is a must. Familiarity with BI and with data visualization technologies and tools such as Domo, Tableau, Power BI, QlikView, data warehousing. Engage with clients under supervision of product owners to understand their BI needs, conduct workshops, and refine visualization related documents. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post and some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Second company in the list is Amazon, a well-known e-commerce portal hiring for business analysts, experience 1 to 3 years, job location is in Bangalore, salary 3 to 7 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, and education bachelor's degree in quantitative disciplines such as stats, mathematics, economics, computer science, or any related quantitative field. Roles and responsibilities: monitoring health of DWP jobs, infrastructure, and platform, maintaining 100% availability and scaling, perform root cause analysis and resolving trouble tickets, enhancement to the existing solution independently, gradual ownership of medium complexity solutions from the roadmap initiatives, and providing data insights to central ACES teams to drive business critical actions. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst in this company. And if I talk about technical skills, you need to have 1 year of data analytics or automation experience, 1 year of capacity planning, operation planning, business analysis or similar experience. You should have good knowledge of data pipelining and extracting using SQL, knowledge of SQL and Excel at a moderate or advanced level, knowledge of data pipelining and extraction using SQL, knowledge of SQL and Excel at a moderate or advanced level, and experience with data mining tools like SQL, SAS, SPSS or similar. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're okay with job post, job location, roles and responsibilities, then you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the third job. Company name is City, hiring for business analyst, data information and management. Experience 0 to 2 years. Job location is in Pune. Salary would be competitive. Education bachelor's, university degree or equivalent experience. So if you're looking to start your career as a fresher in business analytics domain, then you can apply for the job post. About the role, this function covers incumbents responsible for various data activities which include database administration, analysis, maintenance, and data quality and database management. Responsible for routine operational or administration work. Individuals with high have their work thoroughly reviewed and checked by more senior incumbents. Appropriately assess risk when business decisions are made, demonstrating particular consideration for the firm's reputation and safeguard Citigroup. And if I talk about technical skills, you need to have know-how on analytics tool as well as E-minor knowledge seeker, SPSS, ATC, 0 to 2 years relevant experience, big data and machine learning experience are Python, etc. The ability to engage resource outside of their direct control to achieve objectives. So these are some roles, responsibilities, and technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're okay with both the roles and responsibilities and technical skills, you can apply by clicking on this link, and this link you'll get in the description box. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is Maruti Suzuki, hiring for business analyst. Experience 0 to 6 years. Job locations in Gurgaon. Education BE, BTech, MBA in technology, computer science, information system, and salary would be competitive. Education, execute business discussion with the business to understand their requirements thoroughly, analyze and map business requirement definitions for clarity and accuracy, assist in designing existing business process using automation technologies such as AI, ML, executive strategy to increase efficiency, productivity, and quality organization wide, and organize an implementation of business process re-engineering strategies, utilize visualizations and analyze to empower decisions, extract actionable insights from large data sets, supporting strategic decision making processes. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst in this organization. And if I talk about technical skills, behavioral competencies, result oriented learning, agility, collaboration, customer centricity, change, agility, and innovation and new ways of working. So these are some basic technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're okay with the job post, you can click on this link, and this link you'll get in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is PayPal, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years. Job location is in Chennai. Education bachelor's degree, computer science, software engineering, or related discipline, and salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: build scalable system and technical discussions, deliver good quality results, participate in code reviews, and guide the team in engineering best practices, provide technical leadership and contribute into the definition, development, integration, test documentation, and support across multiple platforms, establish a consistent project management framework, and develop a process to deliver high quality software, participate in team that designs, develop, troubleshoots, and debugs software programs for database application tool, etc. And if I talk about technical skills, knowledge of statistical and machine learning models, experience with GCP, Python, Hadoop, Spark, Cloud, Scala, data warehouse, distributed data platforms and data lakes, database definition, schema design, looker values. You have a proven track record coding with at least one programming language, that is Scala or Python. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is Excelia, hiring for senior specialist business analyst. Experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Pune. And if I talk about the education, BTech or MSc, salary would be 5 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: get functional requirements, document the requirement and discuss with internal stakeholders, identify who all would be required to deliver the item, documentation the solution, identify and schema impacts, changes needed, take download on the situation, develop and translate it to customers as functional demo, and support customers in UAT. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst. And if I talk about technical skills, you need to have good knowledge of PL SQL, knowledge around XML. Someone from a dev technical background who has moved to business analysis would be preferable. Should be able to articulate customer requirements into simple projects level. And NDC, booking tickets, nice to have. Pricing, nice to have. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Seventh company in the list is Budget AI Tech, hiring for business analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations and remote, education bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or a related field is required, and salary would be competitive. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity and if you have minimum 2 years of experience as a business analyst, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: experience in developing and executing data validation tests to ensure accuracy and completeness, proficient in creating detailed documentation including data mapping documents, data dictionary and convention specifications, ability to produce clear and actionable reports on data quality and process outcomes, strong analytical skills for mapping data fields and defining transformation rules, ability to identify and troubleshoot data related issues during testing phase. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if we talk about technical skills, you need to have bachelor's degree first of all in computer science, information technology or related field is required. Strong analytical and problem solving skills. You should be excellent communication and collaboration abilities. Proficiency in data analysis tools and techniques. Experience with data quality assessment and testing would be a plus. And interested candidates can refer to the below link to apply, and this link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the 8th job. Company name is Accenture, hiring for business analyst, experience 3 years, job locations in Hyderabad and Gurgaon, salary would be 5 to 11 lakhs per annum, education full-time BE or BTech course. Roles and responsibilities: responsible for analyzing an organization and designing its process and systems, accessing the business model and its integration with technology. Your typical day will involve researching, gathering and synthesizing information, assessing current state, collaborate with cross-functional teams to identify business requirements and translate them into functional specifications, assess current state, identify customer requirements and define the future state and or business solution, research, gather and synthesize information to support business analysis and solution design. And if I talk about key skills, strong functional knowledge of Microsoft Dynamics 365 financial function. Further, good to have skills experience with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, experience in analyzing, designing business processes and systems, excellent communication skills and interpersonal skills. And the candidate should have a minimum 3 years of experience in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Financial function. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with the roles and responsibilities, job location and experience this company is looking for, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Company in the list is Jetpack, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education master's degree in research, stats, maths, economics or related analytical discipline, or you can be a fresher from a good institute or university or relevant work experience in data analytics domain. Salary would be competitive. Now, roles and responsibilities: responsible for data extraction, collaboration, and cleaning in MS Excel or Access, will be responsible for making the pricing data in ERP up to date. For this, he shall have to identify the activities to be carried out and then execute those activities. Will be responsible for carrying out an ad hoc pricing analytics request. Will be responsible for carrying out various statistical and pricing analysis in Excel or Access. Expected to support the client on data systems and analysis, and use stats tools to synthesize, segment, and normalize historical pricing information and master invoice data sets to provide visibility to price rate distribution. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if I talk about key skills, fresher from a good institute or university or relevant work experience in data analytics domain. So if you're a fresher, you can apply for the job post. Curiosity is must. Proficiency with analytical and presentation tools such as Excel, VBA, PowerPoint. Highly analytical nature, aptitude at gathering, analyzing, and leveraging large data sets to make key business decisions. Knowledge of R, Python, Tableau, Power BI would be good to have. And if you're okay with roles and responsibilities, you have required technical skills, then you definitely can apply for the job post. And you can click on this link that is available in the description box. So friends, these are 9 jobs for this week for the role of business analyst. I hope you like this video and the jobs are helpful. Do press the like button if these jobs are helpful. You can also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.